Off the dome shit. Yeah. I might lose you in this motherfucking race that we running. Hey, all I know, man, I know that paper be coming, especially if you got a grind mode, you know, sign mode. I got niggas on the line, nigga dying for, so I know, nigga, keep my eye on the paper, man, cause I know that don't last long. I know this life short expanded. If you look at it, man, if you count up what's granted, that a nigga take for granted. I'm in it. This bitch nigga, all the antics and all the foul shit you can think of, I done. I don't give a fuck, my nigga, it's the life that I begun to live. So I lived it and the cards played, laid it. Still on this bitch, hope I keep them all spaded, related, keep them all close and even sated. This is how it is, singing, oh sweet Sadie. Nigga better save me. Hope you catch me. Hope you don't let me drop, man, what's left in. This is what I'm doing, dog. I'ma hold it high. I don't see nothing but the sky. Who am I? But I rely on the flow, the nigga grows. So I'm the type of nigga, I'm a different animal. You can catch me in the jungle, you know, chilling with the lions, chilling with the silverbacks. That's the silver lining. Nigga just spitting off the top. I'm lying. I don't know, my nigga, they say I'm clowning, cause a nigga ain't wrote shit. I'm just reciting. Y'all niggas ain't realists. Y'all ain't liking. Y'all the haters of the world. Yeah, but if I get just one girl, she gon' spread the word. And I'ma be that nigga going off the top, nigga. I ain't going nerd. I'm absurd and lethal, spitting creepo. Just what it is, my nigga. I'm just D.O. Hey, I'm going hard, my nigga. I am Debo. Hey, y'all can't stop me. I E.O. Hey, all on these beats, so broke my boy keep dropping off a layo. So I'ma go hard, man, going west. So what y'all niggas know about going nuts? So dropping your nuts in any situation, huh? Anything a nigga got the K facing, huh? That's all right, nigga. Lay a nigga down quick. We don't give a fuck, man. We cocky confident. So if you enlarge and you think you in charge and you think you a boss, ain't taking you out, so you better stay in your hideout, nigga. Ducked off when them ride out, nigga. Sawed off, cutthroat, nigga. Eyed out. Hey, we don't give a fuck no more. This is what it came to. We don't give a fuck no more. We ain't marching, dog. We ain't protesting, none of that. Only thing we understood was attack. Had our backs against the wall for years, man. What we supposed to do, man? Our kids, man. Y'all don't give a fuck. Y'all is, man. Got all the fucking motherfucking cash in. You think I don't know? You think I'm gonna make some booty songs so them hoes can shake? No. I ain't on that there. I'm giving fucking rhythm. Giving this beat, my nigga, we can kill him. Yeah, I know I'm on one. Hey, yeah, I know I'm on some. So I stay, man, dedicated to what I'm doing what I'm doing, man. Nigga just pursuing, doing everything right to the jitsin. If a nigga had to go and get karate jitsin, y'all niggas jitsin. Mentally I'm getting on a grown man level, man, like I was 60. But I'm on it in my 30s, man, yeah, in a hurry, yeah. And I'm running, man, trying to jump every hurdle, yeah. And I'm going, dog, 200 meters dash. Hey, and a nigga going straight on their ass, cause a nigga, I'm a blast from the past. I'm that old school flow. I'm that Chevy on ass, asphalt spinning out on them 20 ducket rims moved up. Now we on them 38s digging in, mean 30s, niggas flipping up, going birdies, and I don't know, man, but I had to flip the skirty, cause these niggas so dirty, and niggas down south, and hey, better watch your mouth and hospitality, I'm out because every ounce in there, the nigga that smoke. Hey, I told them they don't want no smoke. Hey, rest in peace to Pop Smoke. Hey, can't forget about that too, folk. Hey, yeah, Kobe, yeah, rest in peace too. This is what we doing, kicking the shits too. Cause a nigga raw with it, man, I draw with it. If I forgot somebody, man, please forgive me. Yeah, Floyd, I'm gonna mention your name too. No, you the last one that's got us on this thing too. So I'ma pump my fist proud, do it for you. Every black man that done died for some bull too. Yeah, and that's real. That's what we supposed to be on. That's real. So seditious in whatever. Hey, I'm just trying to say something clever. Do it for the people that's listening. Do it for the people that listening. We gonna get it right.